Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. To get notifications of my new videos, subscribe, share, like, comment and hit bell icon. In this video, I am going to discuss with you a problem on royalty chart. So let's start. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in this video I am going to discuss with you a 5 marks problem which will be generally asked in section B on preparation of royalty chart, and I have selected a problem which has been asked in December 2018. First of all, I have read a problem over here. Listen it carefully. A coal company took a mine on lease from Navin of a royalty of rupees 2 per ton of coal raised with a minimum rent of rupees 8,000 per year. The right of recoupment of short workings was out of royalties during the first 3 years. So this first 3 years is very important over here, and why it is important I will explain later on. Now in the problem they have given the output of first 5 years has been as under. So here years output, and this output is in tons: 2013, 14, 15, 16, 17, and this is what the output which has been given. And at the end they have asked, prepare a royalty payable chart from the above information. So just a brief analysis of this problem. So this problem is based on a coal company, and royalty is fixed rupees 2 per ton coal raised, and here minimum rent is 8,000 per year. And very important thing over here is the right of recoupment of short workings. So what is short workings and recoupment of short workings? I have earlier explained in my first video. So if you have any confusions, just go through that video. And most important thing over here is whatever short workings will take place, these are only applicable for first 3 years. So first 3 years means 2013, 14 and 15. Only up to this period the short workings, recoupment of short workings is available. After that period, recoupment of short workings is not given. Okay, this is what the problem. And now this is what the chart which is generally used for calculation of royalty paid. So here the format of this chart is differ from book to book and author to author, and there is no any standard format. But in generally these are the 9 columns which are used for the calculation of royalty paid. So first column is year, second one is output in tons, third one is actual royalty, fourth one is minimum rent, fifth one is surplus. What is surplus? Surplus is nothing but when actual royalty is more than minimum rent. When this actual royalty is more than minimum rent, then we have to take amount over here. Next, sixth column is short workings. So what is short workings? As already I have discussed with you, short workings is nothing but when actual royalty is less than minimum rent. When this column number third amount is less than column number fourth amount, then we have to take it in short workings. So it is also called as deficit. Next, again here column number 7 and 8 are interrelated. Whether this short working is recovered or irrecovered. When it is recovered, it is recorded over here in column number 7, and if it is not recovered, it is recorded in column number 8. And the last column is royalty paid. So these are the 9 columns which are generally used for calculation of royalty paid, and this is called as royalty chart. Now here we have to record first years which is given in the problem, output in tons which is also given in the problem. So first I will write it over here. So see here in the problem. So years 2013, 14, 15, 16, 17. So just I will write it over. 2013, 2014, 2015, 2016, 2017, and output in tons. So here it is 1600, 2000, 7000, 12,000, 16,000. These are in tons. Now here see the column number 3 is actual royalty, that is rupees 2 per ton, which is given in the problem. See over here, royalty of rupees 2 per ton of coal raised. Okay, so 2 per ton, so it is 2 per ton. So 1600 into 2, so it is 3200. 2000 into 2, it is 4000. 7000 into 2, it is 14,000. 12,000 into 2, it is 24,000. 16,000 into 2, it is 32,000. Now next column is minimum rent. So see in the problem, minimum rent of rupees 8,000 per year. Okay, so minimum rent is fixed, so it is 8,000 per year. So I will write it 8,000 for all 5 years. Okay, so this is what the basic information which is given in the problem, and I have just transferred that information. Now see, next 2 columns are very important. 5th column is surplus. So what I told you, surplus is nothing but when actual royalty is more than minimum rent. So this is actual royalty column and this is minimum rent column. So if this column number 3 amount is more than column number 4, then we have to take it in surplus, and if it is less, then we have to take it is in short workings. So short workings, actual royalty is less than minimum rent. So column number 5 is equal to column number 3 minus 4, and column number 6 4 minus 3. Okay, so see in 2013 actual royalty is 3,200, minimum rent is 8,000. So here column number 3 amount is less than column number 4, so therefore there is no surplus, but there is an existence of short workings. So how much short workings are there? 4,800. Okay, next in 2014, again here actual royalty is 4,000, minimum rent is 8,000. So here also actual royalty is less than minimum rent. See, actual royalty is 4,000 and minimum rent is 8,000. So actual royalty is less, so that is why there is no surplus. Here short workings, how much short workings is there? 8,000 minus 4,000, here 4,000. So 8,000 minus 3,200, 4,800. 8,000 minus 4,000, 4,000. Okay, now next in 2015 actual royalty is 14,000, minimum rent is 8,000. So here actual royalty is more than minimum rent, actual royalty is more than minimum rent, so that is why there is an existence of surplus. So how much surplus is exist here? 14,000 minus 8,000, so it is 6,000. There is no short workings. Next see here 24,000, and here it is 8,000. Here 32,000, it is 8,000. Okay, so see over here 24,000 actual royalty is more than minimum rent, so therefore here surplus is exist. So how much surplus is exist? 24,000 minus 8,000, so it is 16,000. No short workings. So 32,000 minus 8,000, so it is 24,000. Okay, so In this way, surplus and short workings are recorded over here. Now these next three columns are very important. So first I will write down here 2013. Okay, so here short workings is there, deficit is there because actual royalty is less than minimum rent. So how much it is? 4,800. Okay, so this amount should be recovered. Whatever short workings are there, those short workings are recovered from surplus amount. But in this year there is no surplus, so that is why no amount is recovered, no amount is recovered. Royalty paid. Okay, royalty paid is how much minimum guaranteed? 8,000. So that is why actual royalty paid should be 8,000. Next, 2014. See here, short workings is there 4,000. So recovered is nil because there is no surplus amount. Irrecovered is also nil. So actual royalty paid is 8,000. Why 8,000? Because actual royalty is less than minimum rent. Okay, that is why minimum rent is guaranteed by lessor to lessee. When actual royalty is made, so that much amount is paid, but here minimum rent is more, so that is why it is paid to the lessee. Next, in 2015, okay, 2015 what happened? There is an surplus amount is existed because actual royalty is 14,000 and minimum is 8,000. Minimum rent is 8,000. So 6,000 surplus amount is exist. Okay, so short workings. So previous two periods have short workings. So this amount should be recovered with this surplus amount. Okay, so total how much short workings are there? 4,800 plus 4,000, it is 8,800, but we have only 6,000 surplus, so this 6,000 is recovered. Then how much amount is left over here? 8,800 minus 6,000, it is 2,800. Okay, so here actual royalty paid is actually 14,000 should be paid because actual royalty is more than minimum rent, but out of this 14,000, 6,000 is recovered. So 14,000 minus 6,000, again it comes to 8,000. Okay, and note here important thing, the right of recoupment, that is recovery of short workings, was out of royalties during the first 3 years. This recoupment of short working is available only for these first 3 years. Okay, after this first 3 years, whatever short workings will take place, those are not recovered. Okay, now in 2016, 16,000 surplus amount is there. So there is no short workings, no recovery, no irrecovered amount. Now here actual royalty paid should be 24,000. Why 24,000? Because actual royalty is more than minimum rent. Now you may get confused that in this year I have taken 24,000 here, and here instead of 14,000, why I have recorded 8,000 here? Actually here 14,000 should be taken, but due to these short workings 6,000 is recovered, and that is why 8,000 is recorded over here. Now in 2017, there is no short workings, no recovered amount, no irrecovered amount. Now here royalty paid should be, just guess here, out of these two amounts, which one should be taken over? 32,000 or 8,000, whichever is higher. 32,000 is higher one, so that is why 32,000 should be recorded over here. Okay, so this is what the solution for the problem. The problem is very simple one. So this is what the first problem, so that's why you may feel little bit confusing, but practice it twice in home. If you have any doubts, you are free to ask it. Thank you.